Hello painter! Today we are talking about a question that I get from my students and painters all the time, all the time, which is, should I wet my canvas background? Like, should I wet my entire canvas before I start a painting? So I am here to give you my answer on that today. So I think that wetting your canvas for the background before you get started painting can be a good thing to do, but it is not something that you want to do all the time. Here are the instances when you would want to wet your canvas. When you want something smooth, like your background to be really smooth, like this background shown here, or if you're doing any substantial blending of colors in your background. Think watercolor effect when you wet your canvas, just like when you're doing a watercolor painting and you drop that color onto your wet surface, and it kind of just gives you that really soft blend. Wetting your entire canvas is going to do something similar to that first layer of paint that you put on. So if you want that really smooth, single color or a blend of colors as your background in your painting, then wetting your canvas is great. If you are going to be creating a canvas with more texture, like this one, wetting your canvas in the background is not going to help you. It's not necessarily going to hurt you. It could cause some of your initial layers to bleed and level out and smooth out across your canvas instead of holding this nice thick texture. But for the most part, it's not going to do anything bad. It's just going to keep you from being able to build up so much texture in your first layer. So it's just an extra step that you don't need to do if you're creating a painting that is more texture heavy or texture forward like this one. I hope this helps answer the question for some of you new painters that are wondering, should I do that or not? And I hope you found it helpful.